Our last stop of the evening led the team to the admin block. Here we were shocked by whom we had contacted.
Close your eyes, that's it. Imagine that ball of light of energy above your head. Pull that energy down into your head, way down into your chest, and then push that energy down your arm and into your finger. Okay, now on the count of 3, you can open your eyes. 1, 2, 3. Do not remove your fingers from the glass. So is anyone here? If you can see, we've got 2 torches. I want you to use the red for yes and the white for no. Is there anyone here? Use that energy to move the glass. All that energy they're pushing into the glass, take that energy and use it. Move the glass. If you need to build up the energy, start moving the glass in small circles. Okay, come on, move the glass. You can do it, you've done it here before. Start moving the glass in small circles, build up your energy. Okay, if you want us to stay, move the glass.
Slightly towards me. It just moves slightly unless you know.
Ah, do you want us to stay? Well, come on then.
Oh,
well done.
Who's moving this? Right, someone's doing this.
Oh, finally!
I'm not moving it.
Okay.
Is that you, Sasso?
Come to me.
Yes, red.
White for yes. Oh, it was white.
Red is
Red
yes,
for yes.
white no.
Is that you, Sasso?
Is anyone moving that?
I'm certainly not. Look, my fingernail was there. Look, that's it. There's my fingernail. So look, it's definitely not me.
Come on then. Is that Sasso?
Is that Sasso?
It's not me.
Move it to red if it is Sasso.
Wow.
It's not me. Look, my fingernail's there. I swear to you. No, I'll put my fingernail on. Is that okay?
Are you happy with the women at the table?
Everyone put their fingernail on top. Like, up, like that.
Is that still giving me energy?
Yeah, Sasso, if you want to talk to us, start moving the glass in big circles. It builds up your energy.
No, it's not me.
Careful.
What, that house?
Wow.
That's it, start moving it in big circles.
That ain't me. Look, my finger's up. You can see that.
Oh, I wish my finger was on.
Yeah, why wasn't it?
Because there was too many on there.
Oh, I thought we were only doing it in little
That's
groups
what I
at
thought.
first.
That's
No, my fingernail's
Okay,
up.
big circles, it does
My
build up your
fingernail's up.
energy. Well done,
Yeah.
thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Sasso, if it's you.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, can you stop the glass in the middle for me, please? Oh, thank you. Okay. Are you male? Red for yes, white for no. Are you male?
Thinking about it.
If you're male, can you move to the red light?
Let me see mine.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, thank you. Back to the centre.
Wow. You're not. This is not.
No, look.
Okay, did you used to work here? Red for yes, white for no. Did you used to work here? Did you used to
Okay,
work?
No, go the other way.
If you didn't work here, can you move it to the white light? If you didn't work here. Thank you. Thank you. Back to the middle then. Thank you. Okay, do you know someone at this table? If you do, can you move it to the red light? If you know someone at this table? If you know someone here, move it to the red light. Okay, so do you not know anyone here? Move it to the white light if you don't know someone here. Okay. Move it back to the middle then, thanks. Did he say he didn't work here?
Yeah, he said he didn't work here.
He doesn't work here. Okay, did you know someone that worked here? If you did, can you move it to the red light? If you knew someone that worked here? Did you not know someone?
No.
Okay.
So it doesn't know anyone at the table, does it?
No. Okay.
Doesn't at all.
Is it unhappy with the table?
No.
Okay, if it didn't, he didn't work here.
You sure it didn't know?
He doesn't know anybody here.
Should we ask again?
He didn't die here.
Do you want to ask again if it knows anyone at the table?
Okay, did I ask?
No. Oh, he said no.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Did I ask if he knew anybody that worked
Yeah.
here? Okay. Are you connected to the weapons that are here?
It's nothing.
No. Okay. Back to the middle.
Are you related to anyone that worked here?
That's the same as no, isn't it?
Yeah, it would be.
Are you related to anyone at this table?
Do you know someone at this table? Are you related
I
to
think he
them?
does. No.
No. If you're not, can you go to the white light?
It's not me doing this.
No.
I swear.
Definitely ain't me.
No.
I admit.
That's not me.
I don't think you could move it on your own.
Can you move the glass to where you're standing? Show us where you're standing.
Guys, Mum.
No, Roger.
Are you...
Mum and Roger.
And Leslie.
Do you know Roger? Oh, do you know Roger?
Is that going to the red?
No, there's something
Something
there. It's stuck.
Is that a yes?
Aye.
Do you know... Go to the middle. Do you know Jean?
Oh, now I get it, because he's not at the table. He's not got his
No, he's
finger
not
on
at
the
the
glass,
table.
is he?
Do you
I'm
know
related
Jean?
to anybody that's not sat.
What's
Do
your
you know
name?
Jean?
What's your name, Jim?
No,
Is there anyone you know?
What's his name?
Roger.
Roger.
Are you related to Roger? No, he wouldn't be, because we're related.
No, we've already are.
No.
Okay, do you know
No.
Roger?
Oh, I know.
He's not related
Are you
to
a
Roger.
friend of Roger's?
So what?
Are you a
else?
friend of Roger's?
No, he went to
Well, for years he was a
Roger.
very old friend.
Are you related to Roger?
He's fine now.
Okay.
Are you related to anybody whose finger's not on the glass?
Okay, try and find out.
No,
Okay.
hang on.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
So,
Try.
Roger, you need to get
Oh,
your
yeah. On me.
And Teresa.
Do you want to try and find out a name?
Okay.
Okay. So what you do?
You're going to have to go through the alphabet, are you?
Yes. When you get to the, if you ask
Could
it when it
be,
gets to the letter,
Teresa.
white letter of the alphabet,
Can I
it goes to the red. Okay. So if you start going through A,
Okay.
and as soon as it starts
Does
moving, that's the
Isn't it
letter.
the letter of its first name?
Yeah, if the letter of its first name.
Does your first name begin with A?
Come back in part 4 for the conclusion of the glass divination.